Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a new picture description. We are going to describe the picture in simple sentences and advanced sentences. Let's begin. This is a library. A teacher is reading a book. The teacher is smiling. She is holding a storybook. The book has pictures of animals. Many children are sitting around her. The children are listening carefully. They look happy. One girl is sitting near the table. She is smiling at the teacher. Two boys are sitting together. They are looking at the book. A girl is sitting on the right side. She is also smiling. There are many books on the table. The books are colorful. There are bookshelves in the room. The shelves are full of books. A computer is on the table. One child is standing in the background. The room looks bright and clean. Everyone looks interested. The teacher is kind. The children are enjoying the story. The atmosphere is calm. Learning is happening here. The children love books. It is a happy place. The library is full of joy. This scene takes place in a well-organized library. Advanced level picture description. A teacher is engaged in reading a storybook aloud. She has a warm and cheerful smile on her face. The teacher is holding an illustrated storybook. The book contains colorful pictures of animals. Several children are gathered around her. The children are listening attentively to the story. Their expressions reflect happiness and curiosity. One girl is seated close to the table. She is looking at the teacher with a bright smile. Two boys are sitting side by side. They are focusing on the open book. Another girl is sitting on the right-hand side. She appears equally delighted and engaged. A sack of books is placed neatly on the table. The books are vibrant and visually appealing. The shelves are filled with a variety of books. A computer is placed on the table nearby. In the background, a child is quietly reading a book. The environment appears bright, tidy, and welcoming. All the children seem deeply interested in the activity. The teacher appears kind, patient, and caring. The children are clearly enjoying the storytelling session. The atmosphere in the room is peaceful and focused. It is a place where active learning is taking place. The children show a strong interest in the reading. For more picture description, like, share, subscribe to the channel.